What's up, creatives? Today, I'm going to show you how to create a wrapping responsive grid in Figma. All right, let's just jump right into it. First, we will start with a grid. And if I'm using Figma's grid layout feature here, you can see that this doesn't quite work. If I increase the size of this, our gutters increase in size. Now we can fix this by changing everything to fill, and that fixes that problem. However, we are not really truly responsive. We still have a 3x3 grid, and this will never go down to a 2-column or up to a 4-column. So the only way to do that is to go back and change our auto layout back to a horizontal style with the wrap turned on. And if we do that, this will automatically change depending on the width of your parent frame. But this has a problem as well. You'll see this open space on the right here, and that doesn't get filled up. So we want these rows to fill up the entire width of this frame. And what we can do here is set all of our width to fill. Now this will take up the 100% of the width. But obviously we want this to wrap. And the way to do that is to set a minimum width on all these child items. So if I go here, click on the little drop down, I will see add minimum width. We will set this to 100. And there you go. Now you have something that fills up the entire row, but also wraps. We still have this problem though, because there are 7 items here. You can see that the bottom row fills up with 3 items, so this doesn't align with the 4-column above. And we want to fix that. And the way to do this is to take a copy of, like, say 4 items and just add them there, and then we are going to set our appearance to 0%, and now they are hidden and invisible. And now we are guaranteed that our bottom row will match the top row. And if we resize this, you can see we have a fully responsive grid layout. That's it. Like and subscribe for more tips.